Hello, so the big day is here. We are ready to unwrap the little box. So we're gonna do unboxing the iRobot 880 series. Let's go. Who's ready to open it up? So, alright babies. Hey cutie. Hey cutie. Alright, so let's open this up. Got this knife. Okay. Alright. You gotta get this open now. Careful, baby. Okay. Alright, sit here. Let's get this open here. Max knows it's for him. Yeah. Alright. Here it comes out. Comes out of the box. You gonna help me, little man? Alright. Just pull it out. Alright. Max, you can stay there on this one. There you go. So this is a little note here. Alright. Shoot. One sits on that one and one sits on the other one. Alright, from iRobot. Dear Helen, we hope that you enjoy your beautiful new costume Roomba as much as we enjoy your videos. We can't wait to see it in action. The iRobot team. Alright, and you want this envelope. Let's put these over here. Alright, and hey, that's little kitty cat's room. Alright. You need to Alright, let's put this knife away. Alright, you wanna go in here maybe? While I do this one? Alright, let's get this open now. Hold on. I gotta get it open first. Alright, baby. He loves Roomba. Everybody loves Roomba. Okay, so how it's open here? Whee! Okay. Hey, we got it. We got it. Alright, baby. Baby, so excited. You're more excited than a kid. You just want to keep going. What's in here? Oh my god. You need your own Roomba, baby. Baby, I'm trying to do this real fast. Okay, let's go. There we go. Okay, baby, go on the side. Let's open this up. Got this thing here. Some instructions. These away. Who's ready? Who's ready to see our costume Roomba? Oh my god, it looks so pretty. So pretty. Oh, can't wait to take it out. I love it. I love it. Everybody ready? Yay! Doesn't it look perfect in my house? Turquoise and yellow, my favorite colors. Woo! Mwah! Alright. Who's going to be ready for this one? Let's put all these boxes away. Let's put all these boxes away. You want to put this box away? Alright, babies. Babies. Okay. That's so cute. Oh my god, I love that one. I love that one. Alright. Uh-oh. The battery's not working. Or, uh-oh, it's working, but we have to pull this yellow tab. Yay! Now it's ready to go. Careful, baby. Alright. Baby really wants to take that first step. Wait on, boy. Up. Let's close this up so you can mess with that one. Okay. Do you like this box better, huh? Okay. You can play with this one. Yes, you can play with this one. Hey Maxie, you wanna go ride your Roomba? So pretty. It is so pretty. Oh, 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 oh. You ride that one. Hey kitty, are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my god, you can finally ride it now. Oh, here it goes. Hi, Becky. So quiet. It's so quiet. So much more quieter than the last one. Oh, I can't even hear it. Oh, hey, kitty. You gonna get us cleaned up in here? Hey. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Sharky, come here. Come here. You want some treat? Oh, it's going on my toes. Everybody wants to hear. No, check that one. Oh, I just hit you in your nose. Oh, you like that box? Alright, so here's our cool costume Roomba. Oh my god, look at that. So quiet compared to the older model. If you want to order your personalized Roomba, I will put the link in the description below and check it out and order yours. Every mom will need to have this one because even if you vacuum once a day, your babies will put everything in their mouth. Like you can see, they crawl. All the kitty and dog hair will go in their mouth, and I guess you gotta do it like twice a day to be safe side. And this should be like in babies stores available to purchase because every mom needs iRobot Roomba vacuums. So anyway, and it's already like 10 o'clock and we're about to go to sleep now. So bye bye. Hey baby. Baby wants to go to bed. Check it out, so cool. Love that yellow and love that turquoise. So it goes perfect in my kitchen and my house. If you knew a mom to be, this would be a perfect gift. So we love it. Thank you, Rob. You made my life so much easier. Oh. So it is time to go to napping. And baby is really happy with these new clean floors. Quiet Roomba. So we will see who will have more rides. Baby or the SharkCat. So good night. Bye bye. Love my hair, huh? You only love my hair. Goodbye.